Today's topic is about the operations to the each element in the list. There are times when you have to apply some sort of a certain functions on each elements on the list, right? But it can be done through numerous ways like applying a loop in that and then perform an operations on the each elements, right? But to have a shorthand is always beneficial at a crucial times like that. So here are the two methods that how you can do it in the short compress of a time. Method one that to use a less comprehension and a method two using a map. Right. Let's start from the first method that is using a less comprehension. So first what we are going to do is we are going to initialize our list, and then in the less comprehension what I have done is here I'm just going to add a 123 in the front and into the back of our string element in the list. So for I in our list, I'm going to just add 123 in the front and in the back and then saving it in another list number 2 and then printing it out. As you can see to here, our list comprises of triple A, triple B, triple C, D and to the E respectively, and then in our output you can see that 123 is added in the front and in the back of our list elements.